Dispatcher. A dispatcher is a person who coordinates and directs the activities of truck drivers. They assign tasks, provide instructions, and ensure efficient communication between drivers and the company. The dispatcher instructed the driver to deliver the goods to the customer's address. The driver called the dispatcher to report a delay due to heavy traffic. Load. To load means to put goods or cargo onto a truck for transportation. It involves placing items onto the vehicle in preparation for delivery. The workers helped load the truck with boxes of merchandise. The driver needs to carefully load the fragile items to prevent any damage. Unload. To unload means to remove or take out goods or cargo from a truck or vehicle. It involves transferring the items to their destination or storage area. The workers quickly unloaded the packages and organized them in the warehouse. Freight. Freight refers to goods or cargo being transported, typically in large quantities. It includes various types of items, such as products, materials, or equipment. The company specializes in shipping freight internationally. Route. A route is the specified path or course that a driver follows to reach a destination. It provides directions and guidance for the driver's journey. The driver took an alternative route to avoid traffic congestion. Shipment. A shipment refers to a package or load of goods that is being transported from one location to another. It can be a single item or a collection of items that are sent together. The driver picked up the shipment from the warehouse undelivered. Trailer. A trailer is a large vehicle or container that is pulled by a truck. It is designed to carry goods or cargo and is commonly used in transportation and logistics. The driver attached the trailer to the truck before starting the journey. Truck stop. A truck stop is a designated area or facility along highways where truck drivers can stop to rest, refuel, and access amenities such as food, showers, and parking. The driver pulled into the truck stop to take a break and grab a meal. Fuel. Fuel refers to a substance, such as gasoline or diesel, that is used to power vehicles. It is necessary to refill the tank to keep the truck running. The driver stopped at the gas station to refuel the truck with fuel. Rest area. A rest area is a designated location along highways where drivers can take a break, stretch, and rest. It provides facilities such as restrooms, benches, and parking. The driver pulled over at the rest area to take a short nap and recharge. Logbook. A logbook is a record or diary where drivers document their activities, including driving hours, rest breaks, and mileage. It helps track compliance with regulations. The driver diligently filled out the logbook to maintain accurate records. Regulations. Department of Transportation regulations are rules and guidelines established by the government to ensure safety and compliance in the transportation industry. The driver must adhere to the regulations regarding vehicle maintenance and driver qualifications. Hose. Hours of service. Hours of service hose refers to the regulations that dictate the maximum amount of time a driver can spend driving and the required rest periods to prevent fatigue. The driver carefully managed their hours of service to comply with the legal limits. Bill of lading. A bill of lading is a legal document that serves as a receipt and contract between the shipper and the carrier. It contains details about the goods being transported, such as quantity, description, and destination. Scale. A scale refers to a device used to measure the weight of an object, such as a truck or its cargo. It helps ensure compliance with weight restrictions and safety regulations. The driver drove the truck onto the scale to determine the total weight of the load. CB radio. A CB radio, short for Citizens Band Radio, is a two-way communication device used by truck drivers to communicate with each other on the road. It allows them to exchange information and stay informed about traffic conditions. Breakdown. Breakdown refers to a situation where a vehicle experiences a mechanical failure or stops working unexpectedly. It can lead to delays and require repairs. The driver called for assistance when their truck experienced a breakdown on the highway. Maintenance. Maintenance refers to the regular upkeep and repairs needed to keep a vehicle in good working condition. It includes tasks such as oil changes, tire rotations, and engine checks. The driver scheduled routine maintenance for the truck to prevent breakdowns. Hazardous materials. Hazardous materials, also known as hazmat, are substances that pose a risk to health, safety, and the environment. They require special handling and transportation procedures. The driver underwent specialized training to handle hazardous materials safely. Permits. Permits are official documents issued by authorities that grant legal authorization for specific activities, such as oversized loads, crossing state lines, or transporting hazardous materials. The driver carried the necessary permits when transporting an oversized load.